Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your name on Shadowgun Legends. Changing your in-game name in Shadowgun Legend is a simple process. First of all, launch the Shadowgun Legends game on your device. Once you've started the game, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. This will open up the options page. Tap on players from the top menu. Now click on change nickname. Enter your new nickname in the text box. After you are done, you will be provided with several other name options that you can choose from. Choose the name and click on confirm. After choosing confirm, you have changed your nickname. If you want to change your nickname again, you'll need to spend 200 coins. So that's how you can easily change your name on Shadowgun Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.